kuya.
May nais sabihin sa'yo ang nanay mo. Isinulat niya ito daan sa hawak mo.
Open ko na. Penmanship ng nanay ko nga to. Hi, ate. My best friend. Ang pangit ng sulat talaga. Ano to? For the goal in life and my partner in life, Mama and Daddy always love you and remember that I'm your #1 fan. Agree! Keep fighting and just stay classy, respectful, and to one another. Ate ko, stay happy and always think Ate ko, stay happy and always think positive. Ate, don't worry, we're fine. Hindi ko naman kayo iniisip. Please don't forget to pray always, happy or sad. Kumapit ka palagi kay Lord. At sa mga pangarap mo, we are proud of you, happy. We miss you and love you, ate ko, so much more. Kaka-makeup ko lang ng matagal eh. Ano ba to? Ay, naku po. Ate ko, miss na kita. Kuya. Miss na kita, mami. Miss ko na yung bunganga mo. Hindi ko na naririnig. And, ang pangit ko. May wait. Miss ko na kung paano mo ko lagi pagalitan. Bigyan ng vitamins din. Kuya. Kung paano ka mangialam sa buhay ko. Miss ko na yun. I loved so much. Kuya. Nanay ko po. Ako na rin. Ikaw na.
Gosh, Mama. Kuya.
Diba? Kuya.
My dearest Jazz, this has been the longest time that we didn't have communication. I miss you so much, anak. I am so proud of you, the daughter that your dad and I raised.
Uy.
Though we gone through so much in life, failures, pains, and trials, still you came out strong and motivated. I know you have lots of dreams, but whatever makes you happy, me and your brother are always beside you and supports you. Always be strong, anak. I always believe in you, and every day, you make me more proud and love you even more. Always remember, whatever the circumstances and situation, you can always bring it to God in prayers. We love you so much, our dearest hugs and kisses. XOXO. God bless you always. Lots of love, Mom. Mommy. Mom, every day I thank the Lord because you raised me the way I am today. Lagi nila akong sinasabihan, bakit ako ganito? And I always say it's because of my mom and my dad. And I just thank you so much for giving me the life that I have, even now, through hardships. You make me the strongest every single day. Everything that I do is all for you and all for Raj, but most of all for Dad.
Kaya nga, Jazz,
Yes, Kuya.
magpaalam na kayo sa inyong mga nanay.
Kuya, bawal mo kami pumunta doon.
Jazz,
Yes, Kuya.
ikaw muna.
I love you so much, Mom. Don't miss me too much. I have a lot of story to tell. I love you, Mama.
Kuya, lapit lang ng teatro mo. Ano ba yan, oh?
Kaya,
Miss ko na kayo. Kamusta mo na lang din ako kay Sean. Sabi mo, miss ko na din siya. And also kay Hayden. Kahit di ko lagi sinasabing mahal na mahal kita, baka lang alam mong 90% ng heart ko nakasa'yo. If ever man merong chance na magpalit ng nanay, iti-take ko yung chance na yun. Pero ako naman yung nanay niya. Tapos siya naman yung anak ko para siya naman yung aalagaan ko. Ganun.
Matapos magpaalam ng kanilang mga nanay, si Piang at Jazz binigyan pa ng pagkakataon ni Kuyang mag-usap.
Very, very sorry for everything na sinabi ko. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I mean, you don't have to apologize kasi I understand where you were coming from. Yung inisip ko lang is ikaw. Kasi nasaktan kita.
I felt at that moment na we didn't need words anymore, but we just need to embrace each other.
I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see.
It felt lighter na parang when we were hugging, we were saying, I love you, I'm sorry, and thank you.
Leave it past behind us and take it day by day. I love you, family.
Kuya, I'm okay na. Healthy na ang aking heartable. Wala nang sugat, wala nang tinik na nakabaon.
Won't you stay a little
Please hug si Darren, Piper, and JP.
I feel so lighter, kuya.
bit me too,
Me
but
too.
I love you, kuya.
Abangan bukas!